welcome back to my channel. This is Be's Beauty, and today we're gonna do my boyfriend does my makeup challenge. Let's see what comes out of this. Welcome, boyfriend. Say hi.
Hi to everyone. That's not actually the first time that I'm doing this. Okay, anyway, we should start with the foundation.
Oh, the foundation. This is our all foundation.
All foundation.
They're all.
Do you need the sponge?
Well, you have other things now.
I'll go with Shiseido Synchro Skin.
Here it is. Shiseido Synchro Skin.
So I'll need a very tiny brush, I think. No. Here I have like more or less 20 brushes here, another 10 here. I want my sponge.
You want a sponge?
I mean,
I'll get you a sponge. You can just put it here in your hand and then take it from there and put it.
Really?
Yeah,
I'll put it in your hand.
I mean, you want to know. No.
That's it.
Maybe, yeah, stop.
Let me close
Oh my gosh, guys, can you tell this is my color?
Why not?
It's like 3 shades darker or 4 shades darker than me, but you go ahead and black.
This everywhere, right? So I'm gonna be more. No, I think I fucked up. Wow, this is really like.
You're doing so much better. Everything blends out. Don't worry, everything can blend out.
Like it's not, like it's chemical, but it's not.
Chemical?
It's not gonna poison you. And it's.
Okay, get them more. Look at the difference.
Like,
Ooh, that's coming out good. Or at least from what I can see from the camera.
I don't know if it's enough. Is it enough?
I mean, I think it's enough.
Wait.
Oh, you saw like the difference of colors.
Some like spot really.
Really dark. The first time we actually recorded this, we were drinking shots and it was amazing. Are you looking for a natural look or a colorful look?
Colorful, but now what should I do? Your cheeks.
Okay, with a brush, he's grabbing the Shade and Light from Kat Von D.
You can see it, like it's inside.
Okay, just build it up little by little.
Wait.
Sorry, I want to show them first. Good job. Are you putting the light one?
I don't want this anymore.
Okay. The blush?
The blush.
Guys, I went to get some blush and I brought 3 types, so you can choose from the powder ones and the liquid ones. So, do that.
See the coral?
Cool.
I want the coral. I can do like
What?
McDonald's, like the pazzo di McDonald's.
The McDonald clown.
The McDonald's. Don't you have something really right?
Yeah, this one.
Let me see.
Oh god. Like, do it
Yes.
here first. And now you have to know with your fingers, you gotta,
Yes?
yeah.
No, with the brush? Are you sure?
Yeah, then you can blend it out with the brush.
What the fuck have I done? I ruined everything.
No, you did it. Look, everything has a way.
Wow, you're right, let me do it. Why doesn't come like you did? Not, yeah.
Oh, good.
Yes. Nice, well done. Well done.
Thank you. Don't worry, you can always save.
Lo spalmi. Alright.
He wants me to be an e-girl. Because e-girls wear shitloads of blush. What do you think?
I think we can continue.
Okay, next.
Next, the eyes.
The eyes. Let's get to the eyes. Okay,
Yeah,
good.
or should we do something first? Did I skip something?
Oof. There's so many.
Like what?
Maybe you can add a little bit of bronzer. Like, you normally add the bronzer like in the sides here. Here. So here's the blush.
Yeah,
What?
I'm gonna use the pink one, you know, the one on the...
I'm telling you, this is to bronze. Bronze means darken.
Yes, but I want the pink and the red. He wasn't here? Here, he said.
Yeah, but not the clear one, I said.
So let's go do with the brown.
Do whatever you want.
I've never done this in my life.
I know, don't worry. Looks good.
Right?
Yeah. I'm not gonna blend it out. I will resist.
Why? You look great, right? With these red cheeks.
Yeah, so blown up.
Yeah.
If you want to move to the eyes, you have the palette there.
Chocolate palette.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay, and?
And I don't know. Let's see. Let's start with that.
Okay.
I wanna do like the top of your eyes first.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, do it however you want. And look at how much product you have.
It's a lot.
Yeah. You know what? My tip to you is you can always put more, you know? Maybe sometimes it's better to put less and maybe blend something out, but because if you get a really harsh line, it's gonna be harder to, you know, to blend it out.
That's right. Okay.
Okay.
Close your eyes and don't move. Okay, now I have to change colors. I wasn't ever good at painting.
Oh, well, you're doing good with my face.
Okay, don't move. But I wanna go with the green, something like...
Green?
No, it got dark.
It got dark. Don't get frustrated. No, you can always fix it. You can always fix it. Have faith. Have faith. Should I see myself? Yeah. No. I shouldn't see myself. I shouldn't. It should be like a surprise. But look.
Okay.
Let me.
Give me the other palette. Close. I'm going down. Neither. Why you laugh?
Because I'm trying to think. When the fuck you saw me like this?
I never saw you like this. I'm tilting. Okay, but I'm gonna make you blind.
Poke you.
I fucked up again. Anyway, I'm not gonna give up.
I don't give up. Don't give up.
I think if I do your lines of the eyes totally white, it's gonna be better, right?
Yeah, you should. Here, white. You see?
It's totally white.
Totally white. Why do you always want to do like really like white and clear?
Marking you?
No.
What? No, if you laugh.
Okay.
When you do your makeup, do you laugh? No. Wait,
Okay.
this is the most important part.
You're right.
It's impossible to do it if you move.
But then it's all good.
Yeah, but here, what the fuck? Wow, right? But I have to put. So I have to put something really, really brighter here, and change it.
Okay.
How
Put
can I
something
do?
brighter. Okay.
But a little bit. I shouldn't haven't put the green.
It's okay. Pretty. Last time he decided to go up artistically.
A little bit I'm gonna do it, but better, I'm gonna be more precise.
So you have a few options here. You can do pencil, or you can do like fill in with like some powder or something, like brown powder, or you can first like draw him and then fill it in, whatever you want. Go.
Yes, but I don't wanna. Wow, look at me.
Look at me.
You're becoming a man.
Becoming a man.
A little bit. Okay, that's it.
So if you feel like they're very strong,
They're so strong.
I said, oh my god.
If I look at you like here, there's something.
No, I don't want to look at. But look, you can go like this. And normally it comes up, but I don't think. Guys, wait, let's get a close up.
It's perfect, right?
Beautiful. You mean so much with like some
I
weird.
know.
Oh my god. I am becoming something I didn't know I could become.
My thing is still better until now compared to last time.
Totally. I'm gonna insert a little picture of last time's makeup here.
Because you have your cheeks red, I'm gonna go with the white.
This is a classic red for me.
Classic red.
Wait, I will look at you because this is gonna be hard.
Thank you. I don't think it's gonna be harder than the eyes.
I mean, honestly, if you want just a little tip, normally you would draw the like outside and then you would fill it in, If you want. If you don't have to.
I'm a master.
Okay, you're a master. Yeah.
To move. Try to close your mouth because I don't know. But don't do like keep it close. No? Keep it close. Why not?
Look how he tricks me!
I think I didn't do it so good. I think you're like a joker or something.
You think I'm like a joker?
Now you have a look. Like you should come closer. Like if I make you a picture, you have a really bright look.
Later we'll do pictures. For now, let's put the lashes on like this. And I'm gonna close
No,
my eyes.
così. What? No, do it.
Okay.
Why you're scared? I didn't the other time, no? I would like to do the tears, but I'm really scared.
You're scared of
Because
ruining this?
Yeah. Come on.
Right, guys, thank you so much for watching till the end of the video. This is the finished look. I'm gonna get you close up to me so you can see how beautiful I become after that lovely, lovely makeover. So as you can tell, I'm wearing a lot of blush because, you know, I felt like being a Negro today. I'm killing people because I have tears as tattoos on the side of my eyes. And of course, my lipstick. Who? Kylie Jenner, who? So the eyeshadow, you want to explain a little? What's all this look about?
It's about spontaneousness.
I love it. Do you like it?
I love it.
Look at it from close. Okay, take a picture.
Look.
Oh, beautiful.
Look. You have to put this picture.
Thank you guys so much for watching till the end of the video. I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe down below. Hit the like button. Thank you so much.
Bye.
Bye. Say bye to everyone.
Bye.